Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing video compression through Nvidia graphics cards and ffmpeg. Now in the past I did a video on video compression through your CPU. But why would you want to run ffmpeg through your graphics card rather than your CPU? Well, the biggest reason is so that you don't use as much of your CPU as you normally would for this type of task, because those resources could be spent on something else while it's converting your video. And so here we have your graphics card, which can take on that responsibility. And in our case, we'll be working with Nvidia. Now, before we get started, there's two things I want to mention. The first being that you need to be in the folder in which your file is located in. The second being that you need to have CUDA installed, as well as Nvidia Dash driver. I'll link some resources down in the description for you to go check out on how to go about that process. And with that being out of the way, let's go into our terminal. And what you'll want to type in is ffmpeg -y -vsync 0 -hwxl CUDA -hwxl_output_format CUDA-i, and in single quotes, we're going to type in our original video's title with its file extension. Once we've done that, we're going to type in -c:(a) copy -c:(v) h.264_nvenc -b:(v) 5 capital M, and in single quotes you'll want to type in your new title with its file extension. Go ahead and hit enter and just wait for it to convert. And I had a question come up on that one video that I did involving video compression with your CPU, where someone asked if the quality changed or if it stayed the same. Your quality stays the same when you convert the video. The only difference is that it shrinks the video size. That's literally the only thing that it does. And with that, we have come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.